Alright, it's time to go up.
Okay.
Let's see.
Got it?
Not yet. Okay, volume. That's where you read.
She's leaving. I found a Slim Jim in the car. Well, it's not a Slim Jim, it's Jack Link's. They're all Slim Jims to me though. To the waterfall. It's kind of like a weird walk to the waterfall because it's like down a hill, but there's multiple ways. There's these stairs. I gotta show y'all these stairs. They're absolutely ridiculous to try and walk down. I can only go up them, not down. They're terrifying. Not that bad. I found a path that goes up the waterfall. It's like, hold on. So the waterfall's right there, but there's a path that goes up. Maybe gets to the top. I'm not sure though, but I want to try and find out because I want to go to maybe like the rocks and shit I want to get on top of. So we're going to try that. Also, these are the stairs I was talking about. I hate climbing up them. They're so small. There's barely any foot space. I'm going to try and climb it. There's no possible way. There's no possible way. I want to see if there is. So. There we go. Oh. This is wet. My butt's wet. Okay. Guys. Oh my lordy lord. I think it's a black widow. Well, I can't go that way. That's so pretty. Very cozy back here. I like it a lot. I kind of want to see if I take my shoes off, if I could just step in the water. So lovely. Moss is so great. It's so... I love moss. I wonder if I took my shoes off, I could walk through that and get to that side. Take some pictures. I think that'd be really nice. Shoes are off. Come on, you're going with me. There we go. Let's head back. I think I'm gonna go wash my feet off. I wish I could claim this as my territory. It's like a whole ass public fucking place. Well, I could make that little spot my place, but at the same time, we're moving soon. It's in the state. We're not leaving Alabama, unfortunately, but we are moving out of town, so we won't have this place near us by any means, except that we want to come here for like an hour drive. But I hope I'll find another place after I move so that I can have my own little place to run around and wolf out. Hey, look at that. I'm gonna miss it so bad, my guy. I don't know why without shoes this is like intimidating to me. I could walk over it just fine with shoes, but now that I don't have them on, I'm just kind of like, oh, there's the end. I made it. I survived. At my waterfall. I think, hold on. It smells so good. Keeping this. I might put some of them in my phone case because I have different flower pieces in my phone case. Or I might put a little bit of them on my altar because I have purples and oranges on there, so I think it's perfect. Been here for a few hours. Gotta find a bathroom because I also gotta take a fat fucking shit. Uh-oh. I've been here for about 3 hours. I'm tired. I want to go home and edit this and take a nap. So, gotta give this to my grandma. Hi!
Hey, darling.
I got something for you.